అంతర్జాతీయ వాణిజ్య వివాదాల మధ్యవర్తిత్వ కేంద్ర హైదరాబాద్లో ప్రారంభించారు. అనంతరం దీనిపై సుప్రీంకోర్టు ప్రధాన న్యాయమూర్తి ఎన్వి రమణ మాట్లాడుతున్నారు. లైవ్లో చూద్దాం.
Time consuming thing, and so I request especially the Chief Justice of Telangana, Hima Kohli, to request the media, these particular industrialist groups, all groups, and their elected body representatives to come and participate this meeting. They will understand what is the scope of this international mediation center, how they can use it. This is the important thing. You know the Hyderabad importance. Now, as per the available statistics, financial year 2019 and 2020, the Hyderabad accounted for export of goods and services to the tune of 22 billion US dollars. State domestic products of Telangana stood 120 US dollars, 120 billion US dollars in the financial year 2019 and 20, with 12% growth year on year. India is going to be a very vibrant city, huge potentials for the further growth. So, you know that we are all very important destination and in the world because of the connectivity, geographically located place, the weather, otherwise the cultural as well as the food, etc. And eminent facilities for all the guests who are coming different parts of the world. In addition to this, the important thing is that when compared to the foreign currency, the amount which they spend in this country is very less. So it is another encouraging factor to the foreign investors or foreign people to come and participate in the international mediation and conciliation centers. The thing is that apart from that, the Telangana Chief Minister assured that he is going to provide, apart from this infrastructure and financial support, he promised us that he will take care and propagate this concept of mediation, arbitration and conciliation apart from the industrialist groups and investors in the common man also. This is not a center where exclusively we will decide international arbitrations only. It will decide the domestic arbitrations, differences or disputes between local investors also. You know that majority of this is not a new it is not a new thing we innovated. You all know that Indian culture, we sort out all our mediation, all our disputes through mediation, negotiation and conciliation. Every day in our family, we negotiate with our children, wife and brothers, friends and everybody. Mediation also takes between friends and family members also. This is in a larger scale, that's all. And it is having efficient administration of resolving the dispute by a technically expert people, so not to create any future complications. There are clear rules. Quality of the arbitrators are international excellence. Arbitrators will participate. This is supervised by the very senior eminent people, and we have seen two live trustees before us, Justice Ravindran, Justice Nageshwar Rao, and we will shortly, I think they will co-opt some more trustees in the trust board. This is the reason why I request all of you to should participate in this arbitration movement to enable to resolve your disputes and strengthen the judiciary. And it is a burden. You know, once if you come to the court, how many years it takes, and at times where hierarchy of courts from starting from civil courts to Supreme Court, how many years it takes place. So we have eminent arbitrators in this country. Some of the international arbitrators who are very world famous also willing to participate in this and in this arbitration center. So I request all of you to encourage, and I thank sincerely the government of Telangana and the Chief Minister of Telangana and Mr. K.T. Ramarao and Honorable Law Minister Indrakaran Reddy, Chief Secretary Somesh Kumar, Jayesh Ranjan and the Finance Secretary, and Justice Nageshwar Rao, Justice Ravindran, all of you for cooperating this movement. I hope shortly we will start the functioning of the center. I think they have identified place, and they are going to Acha, the layout and other things also it is placed before us. So you can visit it, and you also can actively participate and give suggestions to the committee members who can take care of your suggestions. And I wish all success for this mediation and arbitration center. Thank you very much for giving this opportunity.
Thank you very much, Milord. Now, I profusely thank Honorable the Chief Justice of India, Honorable Judges of the Supreme Court, former Honorable Judges of the Supreme Court, Honorable the Chief Justice, High Court for the State of Telangana, Honorable Judges of the High Court, Honorable Ministers, and the distinguished guests for making the event a grand success. I request all the dignitaries and esteemed guests to join for the brunch.
చిత్తూరు జిల్లా